Rolf St. Burgess? Eyeballing meals, are you, villager?
You have made a Mary Andrew of Rolf.
Where you going, monobrow?
May your nose fester with the rage of honor.
Okay.
Away with you, protuberance of the flesh! Yes? I cannot hear you. I am indeedable.
Its tentacles tighten, sucking the marrow.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
What?
What?
Bury me! I can hear dorks, but I can't see dorks. Let's bury that book. I claim this planet in the name of Ed, bringer of bacon. Oh, it's a face scruncher. Cool.
Holy mackerel!
Mr. Yum Yum!
Get out of here, stupid! Rolf will make you eat his fried onion!
Forgive me!
London Bridge is